society's been going since the 1950s, I believe. Is that right, Mark? 1950s, amazing. That's brilliant. Most of us weren't born then. We've got a group of now. This lady in the middle is Sheryl, who performs locally. Somebody got told to stop bouncing that drum. These Morris men are so loud, aren't they? Sheryl performs locally and has performed like that in many places around the world, and she's accompanied by Mark and Bob. I've never met Bob before.
Two. Love it, just to prove it's live and unplugged, as they say. Oh, look, big round of applause for these two for coming up and doing this with me this afternoon. Go on. We don't normally do an unplug, so I've thrown them in at the deep end with the whole half-an-hour rehearsal. So we're going to do a mix of music for you, bit of reggae, bit of 60s, bit of folk, and a secret song at the end. Take it away.